Here I have OnePlus 10T, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So to do this, you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card slot, which is located right here. So what you have to do is to put this tool inside the hole on the slot, slightly press it, and the slot will come out. So here you have like slot for both SIMs. So on one side you have SIM 1 and on the other side you have SIM 2. So let's insert SIM 1 and then put it back into your device just like this. As you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card. So let's enter it. And yeah, that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.